Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the... Okay, so I'm actually going to be doing tricks. Okay, so let's get started. First I'm going to be using the blue. Okay, bounce on my index finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It's really glittery.
Middle finger. Yeah, these actually cost $10. This one was $10. This one was $10. They were both $20 to buy. So expensive. But my dad actually paid $10, so I actually paid for one. Okay, yeah. Middle finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ring finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pinky. Let's look at my pinky. 1, 2. Okay, one more time. 1, 2. Oh my god. Okay, I just. Next, I'm going to be using my pink fidget spinner. Bouncing on my head. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this one I don't know why it spins so slow. I think I'm gonna have to clean it.
I think you should maybe take the blue one instead.
No. Yeah, I have to clean it.
Is it dirty?
Yeah, it's dirty. I'm just gonna use the blue. Like, see how that feels better? Okay, now I'm gonna be bouncing on my nose. I'm gonna try it. Wait.
It's actually doing it. Really?
Now on my toes. Don't mind my toes. Don't put them in place.
Crusty toes.
Okay. That's all the tricks I know right now. So if you want me to do another video with tricks, comment down below. Bye.
Free fidget spinners.